Today I'm going to teach you how to remove users from Amazon Prime. This is particularly useful when you need to manage who has access to your Prime Video account, whether it's cleaning up unused profiles or revoking access from someone who no longer needs it. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, look at the top toolbar where you'll find various navigation options. Click on Prime Video to access the streaming platform. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can open Prime Video directly by typing it into your browser. Now that you're in Prime Video, shift your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Hover your mouse over this icon and a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Manage Profiles. This section is where you control all the profiles associated with your Prime Video account. Once you're in the Manage Profiles area, click on Edit Profile. This will take you to a screen displaying all the user profiles currently set up under your account. Navigate through the list to find the specific user you want to remove. Each profile will have an edit button displayed below it, so click on that edit button for the profile you've selected. After clicking Edit, you'll see more options related to that particular profile. Look for the Remove Profile option, which will be clearly visible. Right beside it, you'll see a button labeled Remove. Go ahead and click on Remove. This action will prompt a confirmation dialog to appear, ensuring you really want to proceed with removing this profile. To finalize the removal, click on Remove Profile in the confirmation dialog. This step completes the process and permanently removes that user from your Amazon Prime Video account. The profile will no longer have access to your streaming content, and all their personalized settings and watch history associated with that profile will be deleted. And that's it. You've successfully removed a user from your Amazon Prime account, giving you better control over who can access your streaming service. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.